Well, alright, so nasa Mortesem tayo. Nagpicture lang tayo. Pababa tayo ng Marilaki. Puntang Pinugay Paras Rizal sa may Painaan. Naka S-mode yan. Matutuwa ka naman sa performance. Masisiyang ka. So enjoy natin ang Marilaki downhill. Dito sa part na to, parang mag-warm up lang kayo. Parang nagpapainit ka pa ng engine. Kasi kadalasan, galing kayong CK o kaya sa may Yeis or Mortesem. Yan. Mag-under pa yung engine, di pa masyadong malakas ang engine. Kaya mag-warm up muna kayo. Enjoy twisty sa Marilaki. Pare ko. O nga pala, may kape yan dito, yung na-feature sa ABS-CBN News TV Patrol. Basta dito siya. Dito siya may pesto. Or basta doon sa baba. Dahil sa open area. Mukhang wala ngayon pag weekdays. Siguro mga weekends nandito siya. Kukunti kasi tao kapag weekdays eh. Dati may LTO dito eh, no? Ngayon wala. How come? Siguro umuulan kaya walang bantay ngayon. O sa umaga. Tanghali na kasi, no? Dito tayo natin. Dito mo, wala nang babangking. Kita nyo naman, mapagbabangking ka pa dyan. Puro lupa. Sa hapon pala magandang dumaan dito. Oh, wala. Kaliwa Adam to. Hinda na yan. lusutan yun eh. Ganito oras wala nang pitikero. Kung meron man overtime. Kubo, ganda ng puno, tingnan mo. Ayan na, right, bababa na. So wala na tayong salita. So music, pasok.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else will succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
pala yun. Mag 130. Napaka smooth. Kaya pala mag 130 ng motor ko. Tuwan-tuwa naman ako. Yan na ride mapping oh. So na-enjoy ko lang yung twist this. Medyo nakadali tayo na konti. Para mapasaya ko kayo no. So itong ganitong paraan ng pagmamaneho ay minsan lang. Minsan ko lang ginagawa. Masubukan ba yung motor? Masubukan ba yung motor? So, pero pag city-city, kalma-kalma lang. Hindi nga ako nakakapag-overtake eh. Marami pa nga dyan yung mga hindi vlogger, yung ano lang, delivery rider, saka yung mga local, yung mga tiga dito, mas magaling pa sa akin. Mas magaling pa sa akin si Mengit. Kung nakita nyo akong singit-singit, pa-overtake, mayroon pang mas magaling sa akin. Yan alright, ilang yung ating vlog for the day. Pinakita ko sa inyo enjoyment ng pagra-ride sa Marilaki. Today is Thursday, June 19, 2025. Alright mga kapinga, hanggang sa muli sa another episode. Stay safe and ride safe always, and bye bye.